Hi, good day, M6358. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Janeline B. Gumabay, 38 years old, married. I have 10-year-old son. I am I am a college graduate. Took up Bachelor of Science in Agribusiness. I am a Roman Catholic.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper here in the Philippines.
I have a 2 years experience here in the Philippines. Mainly, my duties is taking care of the two children, ages 2 years old and 5 years old.
Okay, and other household chores that you do?
I do general cleaning, cooking, grocery, marketing, and also do laundry.
Okay, so you are the one who do all the household chores.
Yes,
So
sir.
since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I will check the temperature, and then I will see the diaper if it's full, and then I will also check the tummy,
Okay,
and
if the baby won't stop to cry, after you did all of your best, what will you do?
I will call the parents' attention.
Okay, and what will you say to the parents?
The baby won't stop crying.
Okay, that's the right thing you should do because maybe only the parents know what to do to make the baby stop to cry, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is one of the best country for the BH, and it offers a high salary
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
as long as my employer wants me to stay.
So it is okay to you to be extended.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
I have no idea, sir, but I am willing to learn, to watch YouTube and by reading cookbooks.
Okay. And also, you could ask your mom and sir if they could teach you how to prepare if you got an employer in Hong Kong, right?
Yes, sir.
And also, if your employers have a time to prepare food for themselves, you could also help them so that you could learn.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If one of your employers prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing jobs as a helper?
Yes, sir.
Sharing room with kids.
Yes, sir.
If your employer wants you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup,
It's okay with me.
it is okay to you to taking care of pets,
Yes, sir.
taking care of elderly.
Yes, sir.
What if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English? It is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me because I am honest, hardworking, patient, and diligent, and I will respect your house rules and your family. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Jenny Lynn. Thank you.